Welcome to Health Nugget Media Channel, where we provide health-related nuggets and answer critical health questions to give valuable guides. Please, subscribe to this channel. Today's topic we wish to address is intermittent fasting, before and after. Intermittent fasting has become one of the most popular diet trends in recent years, with many people seeing remarkable results in their weight and overall health. But what exactly is intermittent fasting, and how does it work? In this video, we'll be exploring the science behind this eating pattern, as well as the potential benefits and drawbacks. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just considering giving it a try, this is the video for you. Intermittent fasting is a method of eating that involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. It's not a diet in the traditional sense, as it doesn't specify what foods to eat, but instead focuses on when to eat. There are several different types of intermittent fasting, including the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and alternate day fasting, where you fast every other day. According to a study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine, intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, and improve cardiovascular health. Another study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that intermittent fasting can lead to weight loss, improved metabolism, and a reduction in the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. But it's important to remember that not all forms of intermittent fasting are created equal, and it's crucial to find the method that works best for you and your body. It's also important to note that women may experience different results from men, as a study in the journal Cell Metabolism found that intermittent fasting may be less effective for women and could even have adverse effects on reproductive health. So, what do the before and after results of intermittent fasting look like? Well, of course, everyone's experience is different, but many people report increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a reduction in cravings and bloating. Some people even report better sleep and improved skin quality. In conclusion, intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for improving your overall health and wellness. But it's important to approach it with caution and seek advice from a medical professional before starting any new diet or eating pattern. As a study in the British Medical Journal states, intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone. And some people may experience negative side effects such as fatigue, headaches, and mood changes. So, if you're considering trying intermittent fasting, be sure to listen to your body, start slow, and find the method that works best for you. Remember, your health and well-being should always be your top priority. Medical recommendation: always consult with a licensed healthcare professional before starting any new diet or eating pattern, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching this video. Try to comment below and share this video. Please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you once again.